Hello and welcome to GB Voice Academy American English Practice Read Along. One of the best ways of mastering the American accent and English in general is by reading out loud. And in this video, we're going to be doing exactly that. In the first half of this video, I want you to follow along with me on this story. Read along if you'd like, but making sure we pick up all the nuances I teach you on this channel about the American targets, rhythm, and flow. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because within the story, there's going to be common workplace American vocabulary words often used in the work environment. See if you could spot them out, and we'll go through them at the end of the video. And on the second half of this video, I'll be muted, and it's up to you to take us on this workplace adventure. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get access to all of my pronunciation videos. Also, check out my 5-star best-selling online accent reduction course. I left the link below. Also, check out my other communication courses with reviews from people all over the world. Enjoy. James had been the first to arrive and the last to leave Crestline Solutions for 5 years. His cubicle, under a flickering fluorescent light, was a testament to quiet ambition. Yet, promotion after promotion passed him by. One rainy Thursday, James prepared to pitch a bold marketing campaign to the executive team. That Thursday, his hands trembled as he spoke, weaving data, creativity, and a heartfelt story about a neighbor's struggling business. But when he finished, his boss, Margaret, gave a curt response. "Interesting, but risky. Let's circle back later." Deflated, James sat at his desk, wondering if his effort was wasted. Then Eleanor, a senior executive, appeared. "James," she said, holding his proposal, "this is bold and exactly what we need. Would you present it to the CEO?" Stunned but determined, James agreed. That night, as he prepared, he realized success wasn't just about hard work. It was about resilience and finding the right allies. The next day, stepping into the CEO's office, James knew one thing for sure. His moment had finally arrived. Now it's your turn. Enjoy. Were you able to catch those common American phrases used in the workplace environment? For example, let's look at the word bold. We've heard this a couple of times in the story. Bold is a term used when someone does something with courage and confidence, as in, James prepared to pitch a bold marketing campaign. Or when Eleanor said, "This is bold." Another common American term was curt. Curt. This means when something is said rudely, quickly, or short. For example, when Margaret gave a curt response. Another common phrase is, "Let's circle back later." This means that they're going to eventually get back to it at some point in the future. But in terms of the story, it pretty much meant, thanks, but no thanks. So it could be a positive thing or a negative thing. Another interesting word was stunned. Like when James was stunned, but determined. Stunned basically means when you're surprised or caught off guard. It's obvious that James wasn't prepared for that response, and so it stunned him. Another common word among Americans is the word deflated. When in the story it said, deflated, James sat at his desk. When you hear the word deflated, you think of a ball deflating with air. Well, it could also be used when someone feels like they've lost hope. All their efforts were drained. Therefore, deflated like you would a soccer ball. Great work! Stay tuned for more American-themed stories. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get access to all of my pronunciation videos. Also, check out my 5-star best-selling online accent reduction course. I left the link below. Also, check out my other communication courses with reviews from people all over the world.